Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm gonna teach you how to draw a rainbow with every single color in your house. So first, well, my area looks messy, so you're gonna need colored pencils, skinny markers, fat markers, school color pencils, oil pastels, and crayons. No paint, because I'm not allowed to paint yet. But I am, like that. It's not gonna make a mess. So first, let me set you guys up. So first, start with all the reds. These three are school reds. This is the school color pencil red, and this is kit. This is kit. This is kit. This is kit, and this is kit. So
art kit.
Yeah. So first, you're gonna grab all of your school markers and
Red ones. No,
red, and you need notebook paper. You're gonna color right here. If you guys can see, I need to put it down. Okay, make a strip all the way across. Pencil, now get your second one. What?
Is there pencil over there?
Yeah. Now put a strip across that one and color it in. On. Now the third one. I'm pretty sure this one's gonna be the same. Yeah, it is. So let me make it darker.
My eraser over there.
I don't know, right here. Oh, actually just color that on one. Okay, the bottom's darker. Now get this color pencil, like the one you use for school. Color that in the first line, right? Like the skinny one. If that's the ring you have. Now use Art Kit color pencil. I'm sorry about that. It was my brother who did it. Yes. If you guys think my brother is annoying, comment annoying brother. I mean, say that if you have an annoying brother too. Just color all across.
If you have an annoying brother,
that.
if you have an annoying sister, put hashtag annoying.
Now, you to get your Arctic crayon. Let me get. No. Okay, I have no idea where my crayons are from school, so I guess I just have to use art kit. If you want, you can use your school crayons. It doesn't matter. Your paper. Now go across. Hold on. Oh, I forgot this was a violet. Get a red crayon and color across. I probably could show you how to. make some different other rainbows too. Yeah, in this video, exact video, I'll show you guys how to pick other rainbows too. Now, grab your red oil pastel and color all across it.
Yellow?
I said red.
Oh. Wow.
Isn't it crazy that the red oil pastel looks the same as the crayon one?
Yeah.
Now get your art kit marker like this and color across it. That easy. Now get your final skinny one and color across this one too. I do have a different version of skinny kind, but the red I have is dried out, so I'm not going to use it. Now, all the colors you had to use, put all of them back. Or you can wait until you're ready to put it back. And now grab all the orange. This might take a minute. Got some of the orange. This one and this one. Hold on. Yeah, these are all the oranges you have. We started with markers, and now we're going to start with markers again. These are all my markers. So, first, get this one, like this type of marker. Hold on. Outside. And open it, color all the way across.
They probably might know they need to open it.
Yeah, open it. My brother thinks you can tell me, like, not smart.
Never said that.
Okay. Now, use this type of marker. Color all the way across.
Color all the way across.
Be quiet, Zion. Now, use your other marker and color all the way across. If you want, you can pause the video. Now, get your marker. And at the end of this video, I'll tell you about some other channels we have.
Put it in the description.
Okay. And I'll tell you guys and put it in the link in the description. Now,
Put it in the description.
color all the way across again.
I'll show you how to put it in the description.
Only one of them. Maybe in the next video we make today, my brother will show you guys how to draw a dragon. Maybe, maybe not. Next, we're gonna do oil pastel and crayon. These are my oil pastel and crayon. First,
Tell them what comes draw the dragon. That's what you need.
no. First, start with your crayons and color all the way across. Now get your and do the same with all your other crayons.
That's yellow.
No, it's not. Oh, here's the orange. That is yellow. Now get your oil pastels and go all the way across. Now, if you want, now just put all of that blue. Just put all of them. Huh. Don't forget about colored pencil. So we're going to color all the way across with colored pencil. Now, use your school one all the way across. Now, get all your yellows.
Guys, maybe in the next video, I farted.
I don't have any, these type of color pencil yellows. I have a small yellow right here that's color pencil, but like I have to get it go small. Okay, now we started with marker. That's what we're gonna do again.
You see, it was doing correctly every time. What color? Like yellow?
Yeah. Now do this one. The reason I'm going back to the top a little bit is because look, I'm almost out of room, so I might just need to go back to the top a little bit. Color pencil. Crayon.
Did I bother again?
Gravity. Oh, and here's your brown.
I already have my brown.
One of them's gone.
That's black.
I already have all my browns.
Oh, this is probably one of those other ones that we got for our birthday and then we go see you.
Oh. And now, time for oil pastel. Now I have all the green. The answer to a never-ending story. Okay. These are her. Hold on, one second. All of my greens. A lot, right?
Ow!
Hold on. Feel like I'm forgetting something.